welcome back to my channel. I know you guys are watching this and it's not even October yet and I'm already busting out like the skull shirts and the Halloween purple makeup and all that stuff, but you guys should know me by now. Halloween starts for me in like August. So today's video is update number 1. This is 1 for the Not Safe for Work project pan that I am doing with my friend Ashley Elizabeth here on YouTube. I will absolutely link all of her information down below. We are basically the same person split into 2 different bodies, which makes everything just so much more fun when we're together. So anyway, we chose 6 products that have suggestive names, if you catch my drift here, and we put goals on them. And so this video is to show you my update progress, you know, like a regular update video. So the first product I want to talk about is this Marc Jacobs lipstick in the shade Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. This is what's on my lips right now. This is so hard to get through, you guys. I've actually been wearing this quite a bit. It's not a color I typically go for. I don't really like warmer tone like rosy shades, but I really like this and I love the formula. But it's so freaking creamy that you use it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and it looks like you never even touched it. So this is gonna be a challenge. I might actually have to pop this out more than I have been to get through it, but I will insert a picture up if there's even noticeable difference. If there's not, I'm not gonna put a picture up because you guys are gonna be like, girl, they look exactly the same. What are you doing? So if there's a difference, I will pop up a picture. If not, the next product I have here is out of my Too Faced Boudoir Eyes palette. What is on my finger? Gross. From the Boudoir Eyes palette, and it is an eyeshadow in the shade Fuzzy Handcuffs. It was literally brand new, never even swatched when I started, and this is where we are now. So if you look really close, I am just about to hit pan. Like, it is taunting me because it is that close to hitting pan. My goal is to hit pan on this. I think that was my goal. I'm not prepared for this video, you guys, not today. But either way, I'm actually, depending on how things go with this shade, I might extend my goal to actually finish this shade completely up by the end of the project. Oh, it would help if I told you guys about the project, right? Yeah, good job, girl. We're updating at the end of each month, and this project will end New Year's. So we have just a few months left, couple months left, and fingers crossed. So that is the shade Fuzzy Handcuffs. I do have a second eyeshadow in this project, and it's in the BoxyCharm and Pure collaboration palette. It was in the shade Nakey. And as you can see, I have successfully hit pan on this shade, so my goal was met. I will say, however, this didn't take much. It actually hit pan within the first like week of me using it, because if you look really close, can you see how crumbly that shadow is? Like, I'm talking, it is so chunky and crumbly that a lot of times when I put my brush in, I actually have to flick my brush off and a big cloud comes off. This wasn't a challenge to hit pan on, so it's a nice color. I'm actually wearing this color a little bit under my lash line in this smoky purple look that I have on. It's okay, but it's just so like crumbly. I mean, let's use the proper words here. All right, I'm not gonna lie to you. This next product is going to absolutely suck to get through, especially if it's only for 3 months. This is in my NARS, what is this even called? The Virtual Domination Cheek Palette. This is the blush in the shade Sex Fantasy. It's this pink right here. I do have this on today. It's hard to see it. I mean, it's there in person, but these lights really do bleach, you know, color out really bad. The trouble that I'm having with this is it's so freaking hard pressed. I have to literally dig my blush brush in here. And although it's not overly pigmented, I mean, I gave you guys a swatch in the intro, but either way, it's really not that pigmented. And it does build up nicely, but I would think that needing to build it up a lot would wear it down quicker. I wear this almost every single day, and I mean, there's a little teeny bit of a dip in it, like nothing worth mentioning, and I did want to hit pan on this. We'll have to see how this goes, you guys. I did not expect this to be as like hard. See the fisting action here? God Lord, rated X today. I didn't expect it to be that hard pressed to get through, so we'll have to really play it by ear and see how that guy goes. The next product I had was a little deluxe size foil pack of a hand cream, and the name of it was My Hands Are Tied. And I did say in my intro that the scent profile of this sounded really enticing, that I was gonna love it. I actually couldn't stand it. It was like, it was just not good. It says that it was supposed to be Thai tea topped with coconut cream. No, none of that, none of it at all. It really didn't smell like coconut or tea. It smells like your traditional kind of like everyday, you can grab a hand cream from a hotel or from like, you know, your doctor's office, and that's what it smells like. So I would never consider purchasing this. I love the formula, and I have a lot of full size of this formula, but just not this scent. So this one's gonna go in the garbage happily. I completely forgot I had a third shadow in this Project Pan video. This is out of my Too Faced Christmas in New York palette, and I had chosen this gray shade in here called Guilt Free. And here's what it looks like now. And if you can see that little tiny glint of happy glimmer there, I have hit pan, which is super, super exciting because it's a gray and it's not a common color to wear. You have to obviously love cool tones to wear a gray shade. So I'll give you a quick swatch of what it looks like. It is literally a gray shade and I love it. I really do like it, but it's not the easiest thing to wear in the world. So that is that. I know that was a super quick video, but that is it, you guys. I think for now, I'm not going to roll anything in. I'm going to continue to focus on what I have going on. I might roll some stuff in on the next update, but for now, I do have a bunch of Project Pans going on and a new one starting within the next like 2 weeks. So I'm a little busy on the Project Pan front, but I will leave my Project Pan playlist linked down below. If you guys are into Project Pans, definitely check it out because I do a lot of different kinds and types, and there's some with collabs, there's some by myself. I think it's just a really fun way to get a lot of use out of the products I already own, and it helps keep me from purchasing new things, which I tend to have a really bad habit of doing. So thank you, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Go down and check out my girl Ashley because she is the funniest bitch on the planet, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep